Hey everybody, welcome back to my modern homestead. If you don't already know, my name is Janet, and today we are making what we are calling an apple pecan cobbler. I cannot wait to show you. This is my first time doing it, so we're going to see what happens. Let's see what we've got. Okay, now here in my bowl, we have about 4 cups of sliced apples. Now you saw me in the intro doing these apples. So I'm going to take them and just cut them in half, just like so, and spread them out in this dish. Oh, this is so exciting. It is fall. I'm so happy. Oh, it's a little cooler here today, not much. It's in the 80s still, but hey, we'll take it. It's better than the 90s. So all we're going to do with these apples is just this. Want to spread them out, and then I'll bring you right back. Okay, this recipe said a 2-quart baking dish, and this is a 2-quart baking dish, so we're going to trust them to know what they're talking about. Now, it says to take a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of pecans, and a 1/4 cup, no, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix that all together. I don't know about putting those pecans in there. We should have just left those out. I was just doing what the recipe said, y'all. Okay, and then we're going to take this and sprinkle it over the top of these apples. Now I'm just going to take the pecans by hand and just distribute them because they're not incorporated. Incorporated seems to be my favorite word here lately. All right, and there we go. This is the beginning of our casserole. Okay, now we want to take the flour. We have 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix that all together. Alrighty. And then we have a cup of milk. Excuse me, not a cup, a 1/2 cup. 1 egg that we're going to put in here. And beat that up. Alrighty. Think that looks good. Now, before I put it into this mixture, I'm going to take my butter. I have it over here on the stove, melted. Ooh, hot handle. Okay, see, there's my butter, all melted. Now, into here, we're going to pour everything, all at one time. Oh, voila. And just mix that up. This is so easy, y'all. It looked complicated at first, but it's not. Not at all. and it says to mix this until smooth. Okay, y'all, we're pretty much there. That was so quick and so easy. All right, now we're going to take the apples that we've already put together, and we're going to pour this over the apple mixture. Oh, this is going to be so good. Oh, look at there. We've got some flour that we don't have mixed in. Have mercy. As hard as I was trying. No harm done. Let me grab a spatula and get the rest of this out. If you've ever made a peach cobbler, this is basically all this is. I should have looked at the recipe better, but it is so easy. Get in there. Huh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Uh-oh, y'all, I didn't preheat my oven. Have mercy. Your oven. Let's see. It needs to be at 350, I believe. Oh, no, 325. So let's turn on the oven. It won't take it but a minute. Now, while we're waiting on the oven to heat up, we're going to put just a few more pecans over the top. Okay. Now, the directions don't say to do this, but I'm doing it. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit more of the cinnamon, maybe cinnamon on here. Okay. Just like that. And now it's ready for the oven. So let's let it finish heating up. It's only going to take it a minute, and then we'll be right back. All right, y'all. The oven just went off. So we're going to put this in the oven for, oh my gosh, I don't even know. 55 minutes. So 55 minutes in a 325-degree oven. Oh my goodness, y'all. Here it is. Doesn't it look good? Oh my goodness. Yum. Let's leave it here to cool off for a little while, and then we'll come back and we'll taste it. Okay. Ow, it's still hot. I just can't help it. I've got to taste it. So let's take this little corner. Yeah, that's perfect. Look how pretty. Y'all. Yum. Okay, so let's see. Got our apple pecan cobbler. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, y'all. I'm sorry, I had to chew that up. Y'all, this is so good. If you can imagine it, vanilla ice cream on top. Oh, that would be amazing. Y'all, this is so good. The last couple of recipes have been definite winners. The donuts, not so much. But this is so good, y'all. The donuts would have been a hit, but I forgot to spray them. Mmm. And I'm gonna make it. It's chewy. It sticks to your teeth. It's nutty. It's amazing. So, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I really do hope you'll go make this one. It's super good. It only takes 3 to 4 apples. Put them in that pan with that sugar. Those pecans, y'all, you won't regret it, I promise. So, thank you again. Until we meet again, may you be blessed. I love you. Bye-bye.